G'day guys, hope everyone's had a great week. Excuse me. Yeah, I got this lock given to me or sent to me by Gary Romain. Yeah, this just arrived in the mail today. But yeah, can't say I've ever heard of the brand before. So yeah, very cool. I was looking at these; they look very similar to an Abus, but same but not. It's got the same sort of, instead of a Z bar, they got an L bar in this one. But yeah, that's the fitting. Alright. I have not seen this lock on YouTube at all. So this might be the world's very first pick on a LOCKTON padlock. Let's try a short up thing for now. And deep look. So I know there's some high cuts in the back. Excuse me. Been losing my voice today, so I apologise for my voice. Oh, there we are, we're open. All standards by the feel of it. Anyway, I'm going to try and gut it. Bring up the tray. So if they're all standards in this, I might replace them with some proper security pins. And, yeah. I might as well lock it up. Almost similar to the same tail piece as Lockwood. Okay. So that was the bitting. Quite easy actually. Yeah, all pins are in there. Follower, where are you? Yeah, where'd you go? No. Get them. Yeah, completely stock, as you'd expect from a brand new lock. They look to be nickel plated brass. Yeah, that probably explains why it was so easy to pick. I already see almost like a domed pins. Yeah, all seems standard by the feel. so I'll just leave them in there, I think. But that would explain why this one picks so easy. I could just yeah, add some security pins to it. But yeah, still not a bad lock. Go nice with the collection. Thanks again for that one there, Gary. Yeah, much appreciated, my friend. Yeah, slightly domed pins. No attempt for a balanced stack or anything. I'm wondering, maybe those, well, that, I think they're going to be a bit short, those two. Yep. Look at that. Barely breaking the shear line. Let's see if it just slides straight in. Yeah. So more than likely I didn't even pick those last two pins. Yeah. Oh well, this is going to get a good overhaul. Anyway, thanks again for that one there, Gary. Everyone, thank you for watching the very first pick on YouTube for a LOCKTON 500. I don't know what the yard is, but yeah, quite happy with that. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you guys. Hope everyone has a great week, and peace.